Hello everyone, I am Hema Satish Sharma and student we are discussing the chapter called Force and Pressure. In today's lecture we will be discussing atmospheric pressure. So the pressure which is exerted by gases which are present in our atmosphere is called atmospheric pressure. So we know that our atmosphere is made up of different types of gases and we know that gases exert pressure. So the pressure which is exerted by air which is present in atmosphere and it includes all type of gases is called atmospheric pressure. In this picture you can see that this is a balloon and this is an inflated balloon. Okay, so this air which is inside this balloon is exerting pressure from inside and the atmospheric pressure is exerting pressure from outside. Since both these pressures are equal, hence this balloon is not bursting. If the case is this, that air pressure inside the balloon exceeds, then atmospheric pressure, what will happen? This balloon will burst. And if the atmospheric pressure becomes more than the air pressure inside the balloon, what will happen? This will deflate. Okay. So you can see that this is the atmosphere on your head in the column of 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter. So the weight of air which is in a column of the height of the atmosphere and area 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter can be as large as 1000 kg. So the weight of air which we are bearing over our head is almost 1000 kgs. And still we are not crushing under this weight. Why is it so? Because the pressure exerted by this weight or exerted by the air is equal to the pressure which is exerted from the fluid which is inside our body. So the pressure which is coming from our body or which is inside our body is equal to the atmospheric pressure. So it becomes equal and it cancels each other. So if the atmospheric pressure becomes more and the pressure inside our body, if any case become less, we will be crushed. And if the pressure inside our body will be more than the atmospheric pressure outside, we will burst. Same as balloon does. You must have traveled in a vehicle or in a car or in a four-wheeler, and whenever sunlight comes, you must have used sun shield screens. And those sun shield screens we put with the help of the rubber sucker. So what is happening in that rubber sucker, when it is stick to a plane surface, it does not come off. Why is it so? Because of the atmospheric pressure. What is happening? That whenever you press the rubber sucker on a plane surface, the air inside the rubber sucker moves out. And now there is no air inside the rubber sucker. So if there is no air, there is nothing which can exert pressure towards outside. The only pressure which is exerting on rubber sucker is atmospheric pressure which is coming from outside. So rubber sucker keeps sticking on the plane surface and it does not come off. This is a picture of rubber sucker and how it is pressed on the surface. So this is the rubber sucker which you stick on the car window. This completes the chapter of force and pressure for class 8. Thank you.